Hello students, good morning everybody. Okay, today I am going to teach multiplication of polynomial. Uh, okay, you know polynomial? Yes, I know. You can define the polynomial. You can identify the polynomial. So let's go. Multiplication of polynomial. Suppose we have two polynomials. If f(x) equal to 2x squared plus 1 and gx equal to 2x plus 5 be any two polynomial, any two polynomials. Understood? Here, let's see if f(x) equal to 2x squared plus 1 and gx equal to 2x plus 5 be any two polynomials, then their product is denoted by f(x) dot, then their product is denoted by f(x), f(x) dot gx. Understood? We have two polynomial f(x) and gx, then their product will be f(x) dot gx or f(x) into gx. It is the notation of product of f(x) and gx, which is again a polynomial. Understood? If f(x) and gx are two polynomial, then their product is also a polynomial. Understood? Okay, let's see. Okay, what is the value of f(x)? Here 2x squared plus 1 times the value of gx, 2x plus 5. Now we can multiply. So 2x squared into 2x, we get 2 to the 4 and x squared into x cube. Understood? 2x squared into 2x, 2 to the 4 x squared into x squared and x, their base are same, so product in the multiplication, sum of exponent. Okay, then 4x squared plus 2x squared into 5, 5 to the 10x squared. Understood? Then 2x on the 2x plus now 5 on the 5, this much. It is the product of f(x) and gx. It is polynomial or not? How to identify? Can you identify? Okay. First of all, you should find their exponent or each term. Exponent of each term is whole number or not. So let's see. Its exponent is 3, which is whole number, yes, and its exponent is 2, which is also whole number. Then it's also 1 is whole number, and the exponent 5 or exponent of any constant term is 0 is also whole number. So the exponent of each term is whole number. Understood? It is polynomial. Understood? Okay, here f(x) and gx both are polynomial, then their product is also polynomial. Are you clear? Okay. It is obtained by applying the distributive laws repeatedly and then grouping like power term holding their sign. Understood? Are you clear? Okay. That means the degree of Fx dot gx, the degree of Fx dot gx equal to degree of Fx plus degree of gx. Understood? Again, it is obtained by applying the distributive laws repeatedly and then grouping like power terms holding their signs. Understood? That means the degree of Fx dot gx, the degree of Fx dot gx is equal to degree of Fx plus degree of gx. It means the degree of product of any two polynomial is equal to the sum of their degree. Okay, let's see. Here degree of Fx, degree of Fx equal to what? 2, and degree of gx equal to 1. Understood? Okay, but degree of Fx and gx, degree of Fx dot gx, what? 3. Its highest degree is 3. 3, 2, 1, 0. Then its highest degree is, or highest power is 3. So degree of whole polynomial is 3. Okay, then degree of Fx dot gx equal to 3. Here the product or the sum of degree of Fx and degree of gx equal to what? 2 plus 1, 3. Understood? Degree of Fx plus degree of gx, we get 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So Fx, degree of Fx dot gx equal to degree of Fx plus degree of gx is satisfied. Understood? Are you clear? कुनै दुईटा पोलिनोमियल को हामी प्रोडक्ट निकाल्छौं, जुन प्रोडक्ट को डिग्री जति हुन्छ तिनीहरुको डिग्री को सम त्यतिकै हुन्छ। जस्तै हामी यो दुईटै पोलिनोमियल को प्रोडक्ट निकाल्यौं, Fx and gx are two polynomial, then product of Fx and gx equal to 4x cube plus 10x squared plus 2x plus 5, and its degree is 3. Yes, and sum of degree the given two polynomial र तिनीहरुको प्रोडक्ट को डिग्री पनि 3 छ र यसको डिग्री र यसको डिग्रीलाई एड गर्दा पनि 3 आउँछ भनेपछि यो कन्डिसनमा सटिस्फाई गरिरहन्छ। कुनै दुईटा पोलिनोमियल को प्रोडक्ट को डिग्री र तिनीहरुको डिग्री को सम सटिस्फाई गरिरहन्छ। Are you clear? भनेपछि यहाँ त्यो भन्न खोजेको कुनै दुईटा पोलिनोमियलको हामी प्रोडक्ट फाइन्ड गर्यो भनेपछि त्यसको डिग्री जति आउँछ तिनीहरुको छुट्टा छुट्टैको डिग्री एड गर्यो भने यसको डिग्री 2 छ यसको डिग्री 1 छ दुईटैलाई एड गर्दा कति हुन्छ 3 अब यो दुईटैलाई मल्टिप्लाई गरेर जुन आको रिजल्ट हुन्छ त्यसको पनि डिग्री 3 नै हुन्छ यो कुरा यहाँ भन्न खोजेको understood but there is a exception case understood this every polynomial or the product of every polynomial is not satisfied in this condition understood or the product of every polynomial does not exist in this condition. Are you clear? If the degree of a zero polynomial is 0, you know. Okay, here. Degree of, suppose we have a zero polynomial fx is a zero polynomial that is fx equal to 0 understood we know the degree of a zero polynomial is 0 here fx equal to 0 that is zero polynomial understood then degree of fx equal to what 0 why because the degree of constant term or the degree of any number is 0 so 0 is number then degree of fx equal to 0 okay now if fx is a zero polynomial understood if fx is a zero polynomial and gx is any polynomial if fx is a zero polynomial and gx is any polynomial then fx into gx we get the value of fx equal to 0 so 0 gx we get 0 understood are you clear okay but it is not existed in this condition how okay let's see degree of fx dot gx equal to degree of fx plus degree of gx मतलब यो दुईटैको प्रोडक्ट को डिग्री जति हुन्छ यो दुईटैको डिग्री को सम पनि त्यतिकै हुन्छ अब यहाँ हेर्नु हामीले fx dot gx निकाले त्यसको भ्यालु के आयो 0 अब यसको डिग्री के हुन्छ 0 हुन्छ अब यिनीहरुको दुईटैको डिग्री को सम now degree of fx plus degree of gx equal to degree of fx 0 plus degree of gx 1 1 ल दुईटै पोलिनोमियलको प्रोडक्टको डिग्री के आयो 0 बट तिनीहरूको दुईटै प्रोडक्टको डिग्री दुईटै पोलिनोमियलको प्रोडक्टको डिग्री 0 आयो है आर इट क्लियर एन्ड डिग्री अफ fx प्लस डिग्री अफ gx भनेपछि fx को डिग्री को सम र gx को सम अफ डिग्री अफ fx एंड डिग्री अफ gx इज इक्वल दे आर नॉट इक्वल भनेपछि जुनसुकै पोलिनोमियल को मल्टिप्लिकेसन इसमा सेटिस्फाई हुँदैन अंडरस्टूड सो if the degree of a zero polynomial you know the degree of a zero polynomial is 0 when any polynomial is multiplied by a zero polynomial the product is also a 0 are you clear okay now properties of multiplication of polynomial now properties of multiplication of polynomial okay there are three properties of multiplication of polynomial first closure property then third commutative property then last what closure property commutative property associative property or multiplicative identity also there are 4 okay not only 3 properties multiplicative identity okay let's see properties of multiplication of polynomial there are 4 properties of multiplication of polynomial first closure properties commutative properties associative properties understood and multiplicative identity properties are you clear okay now you know closure properties if the product of any two polynomials is also a polynomial are you understand suppose let fx and gx be any two polynomials let fx and gx be any two polynomials then fx dot gx is also a polynomial understood fx और gx यदि दुईटा पोलिनोमियल छ भने तिनीहरूको प्रोडक्ट पनि के हुन्छ पोलिनोमियलै हुन्छ त्यसलाई हामी के भन्छौं क्लोजर प्रोपर्टिज आर यु क्लियर ओके नाउ कम्युटेटिभ प्रोपर्टिज इट इज क्लोजर closure property commutative property okay now commutative property you know commutative property suppose we have fx and gx be any two polynomials. Then in this properties commutative properties fx dot gx equal to gx dot fx understood कुनै जस्तै fx into gx हामी निकाल्यो भने fx into gx निकाल्दा र gx into fx निकाल्दा दुईटै इक्वल आयो भने त्यस्तोलाई हामी के भन्छौं commutative property हुन्छ नि हामी प्रुफ पनि गर्न सक्छौं सपोज fx equal to x plus 2 and gx equal to x square minus 1 so fx dot gx equal to x plus 2 times x square minus 1 then we get x cube x into x square x cube minus f understood then plus 2x square then minus 2 we get x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2 this much again now gx dot fx with dx x square minus 1 times x plus 2 or x cube minus or plus 2x square minus x minus 2 x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2 both are same so this is called what commutative properties of multiplication of polynomial are you clear okay now associative property suppose if fx gx and hx be any three polynomials understood we have fx gx and hx be any three polynomials then we can write fx dot gx पहिला हामी fx र gx लाई मल्टिप्लाई गरेर एट लास्ट hx गर्छौं है यसरी गरे पनि र fx dot gx dot hx गरेर अनि गरेपछि दुईटैको भ्यालु के आउँछ सेम आउँछ fx ओके fx gx फाइन्ड गरेर अनि त्यसमा हामी hx ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा जति आउँछ त्यसै gx र hx गरेर fx ले गर्दा त्यतिकै आउँछ यस्तो टाइपको प्रोपर्टीलाई हामी के भन्छौं associative properties of multiplication of polynomial are you clear अब हामीले प्रुभ पनि गर्न सक्छौं। तीनवटा यस्तै पोलिनोमियल लिनु, पहिला fx र gx लाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु, आफूलाई यो दुईटैको प्रोडक्टलाई hx ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु। देन at first you should find the product of gx and hx. Then the product of gx and hx is multiplied by fx. Then we get both are equal. Understood? Okay. This property is called associative properties of multiplication of polynomial. Understood? Okay. Now multiplicative identity. Now multiplicative identity. What is the multiplicative identity? If fx be any polynomial. Understood? fx be any polynomial. Are you clear? If fx be any polynomial, then fx into 1 equal to 1 into fx, we get fx. That is called multiplicative identity properties of multiplication of polynomial. Clear? If fx be any polynomial, fx कुनै polynomial छ, then fx into 1 equal to 1 into fx. fx कुनै polynomial हो जसलाई हामी 1 लिएर मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा fx नै आउँछ, अथवा 1 लाई हामी fx ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा fx नै आउँछ। त्यस्तो टाइपको प्रोपर्टीलाई हामी मल्टिप्लिकेटिभ आइडेन्टिटी भन्छौं। यानी fx लाई हामी जे लिएर मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा fx नै आयो, जस्ताको त्यस्तै आयो। fx multiply any number or any polynomial, then we get fx. Then we can say these types of properties multiplicative identity of multiplication of polynomial. Understood? Okay. This much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.